Right, you beautiful peoples of the internet, Glyn here, cheapskate fishing. We're doing a little bit of something slightly different. I've got a different camera on. I'm basically just using my phone as the camera. So I don't know how the microphone's going to pick me up. But I've just put the rod out there now. We're fishing off this little water outlet. And on Ferry side, it's between the foreshore and what we'd call the arch, so it's halfway between. I've got lugworm on there, the same lug I was using the other day when I caught that big bass. I thought I'd try a different spot. Again, it's quite early in the morning, a little bit later, coming up now to about 8 o'clock in the morning. Got down here about 5-10 minutes ago. So I'm just going to leave that out there. I pretty thought I just had a little bite on it, but it is sort of picking to rain a little bit out here, but it is what it is, isn't it? Anyway, if all of a sudden I pick up something, then I'll turn the phone back on and I'll start recording, but it'll probably just be a really short video, this one. First cast and first fish, just a tiny little bass. Like I said, I've only just brought him in. Just turned the phone. It has started raining, so I'm trying to keep the phone dry because it's not waterproof. Right, we're going to put him back in. There he goes. Right, on the lugworm. I think we'll take the bottom trace. Right, I'm going to stop recording, put the phone back in my pocket, try and keep it dry. As you can see, it's starting to, the heavens are starting to open up, but it's not too cold. So anyway, starting to get a couple more bites on there. See if I can get one on camera. Probably just some more little bass. Oh, there we are, there's a nice one. That'll be a little bass probably. I'll wait for one more, I'll wait for one more series of bites and I'll pull it back in again. Right, I'll turn the camera off till then. Oh, I didn't get anything on the that last cast, although I had quite a few bites. Just straighten up the camera. I don't know if that's straight or not, it's hard to tell. Right, but let's wait for the train to go past. Alright, train's gone past. Yeah, so I've thrown it back out. I've left the same worms were still on it, but they have been sort of chewed up a bit. But I've done a slightly further cast now, so I'll give it 5 or 6 minutes now, and we'll check then to see. Are we getting any bites? If I'm not getting any bites in about, what time is it now? If I haven't had any bites by 8:30, 22 minutes past now, then I'll bring it in, put some fresh worms on and put the cast back out there. So I'm feeling safe now. I can just leave the camera out like this, so I shouldn't have any more shaky camera hands. So just one tiddler bass today. Well, that's how it goes sometimes. At least it wasn't a blank. So I've still got a bait out there, but I'm going to pack it up now. I started to throw some of the old bait away, throw it in the water. So this has been Glyn on Cheapskate Fishing. Thank you for joining me this morning for this little session, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.